Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tundra headlight assembly. First, gather your tools and ensure you have the correct replacement part. We'll start by safely disconnecting the battery to prevent any electrical issues. Then, we'll move on to locating and removing the mounting bolts that secure the old assembly. This process is straightforward, but attention to detail is key for a smooth installation. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's ensure you have all the necessary tools. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Having a clean cloth and some protective gloves is also a good idea. Always double-check that your replacement headlight assembly is the correct one for your Tundra model. This preparation step saves time and prevents frustration during the actual replacement process. Safety first, so let's get organized. Now, let's get to removing the old headlight assembly. First, use your 10mm wrench to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery for safety. Next, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. You might also need to gently pry a few plastic clips or trim pieces. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the assembly forward and disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the back. Take your time here. With the old assembly out, it's time to install your new one. Carefully connect the electrical wiring harness to the back of the new headlight unit, ensuring a snug fit. Then, align the new assembly into its proper position, making sure all mounting tabs are seated correctly. Reinsert and tighten the two 10mm mounting bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect your negative battery terminal and test all headlight functions, including high beams and turn signals. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.